Hello my dear, welcome to my channel Golden Nest. Today I will discuss the grammatical section part of speech, particularly pronoun. Okay, in my previous videos I already discussed the noun. Okay, the first part, noun, in details. Those who are new in my channels, please subscribe my channel to get the grammatical video and English literature based video. Okay, it may be academic or competitive, but today I am discussing the particular part of speech, the second one, pronoun. This part is very helpful for the students who are from academic background and also who are appearing in various competitive exams. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so you know that what is pronoun. Okay, so pronoun is pronoun. Okay, the particular word pro means what? Pro means instead of, or in the place of. Okay, so the particular part of speech, pronoun, here pro means instead of, okay, or in the place of. So the question is, instead of or in the place of what? In the place of or instead of noun. Okay, so I can say that pronoun is a part of speech which is used in the place of noun or instead of noun. This part of speech is called pronoun. Okay, I am repeating, pronoun is a part of speech which is used in the place of noun or instead of noun. Okay, so this is pronoun. Clear? There are more or less 7 to 8 types of pronouns are there. Okay, 7 to 8 types of pronouns are there. Okay, that is, how can you how can you people remember this? How many kinds of pronoun? Simple division, that is, just see, pro, 1 2 3. Okay, noun 4 5 6 7, just add the s, then 8. So I can say that there are 8 kinds of pronouns. Okay, in this class I only discuss 2 or 3 types of pronouns. Okay, and in my next video I will discuss the another part or another division of pronoun. Okay, so just see. I told you that there are 8 types of pronouns, more or less 7 to 8 types of pronouns. Okay, the first one is personal pronoun. The first one is personal pronoun. Okay, so what is personal pronoun? Personal pronoun is something, or personal pronoun is such kind of pronoun through which we can indicate or we can mention any person. Clear? I am repeating, personal pronoun is a such kind of pronoun through which we can indicate or we can mention any person. Clear? So example is what? That is I, me, you, okay, us, our. So here I, me, you, us, our, all these are the examples of personal pronoun. Clear? Simple thing. Next one is possessive pronoun. It is very important, both academic area and the competitive area. Okay, what is possessive pronoun? Just mark the spelling. Okay, number 2 is possessive. Okay, POSSESSIVE, possessive. Okay, Actually, the word possessive comes from the word possess. Yes, my dear, comes from the word possess. Okay, Possess. Okay, you people know this word possess. Okay, possess means what? Possess means to possess something or to possess someone. The word possess means to show the ownership, to show the ownership. Okay, or I can say that to show the right. Am I clear? Ownership or right. Actually, you know or you listen the word possessive. Okay, possessive is an adjective form. Actually, possessive is an adjective form by nature. Okay, because we can hear that he or she is very possessive by nature. It's a very common phrase. She is very possessive or he is very possessive. Okay, with something or someone. So possessive means what? If I can say he or she is very possessive by nature, means he or she, I mean this particular person, okay, is very caring to something, maybe material, maybe someone. Okay, so the thing is that possessive pronouns means the word possessive comes from the word possess, to possess something or someone. So possessive pronoun indicates that to show our ownership or to show the right. Okay, I can say that it is something the sense of dominate, but here the word dominate is used in the positive sense. Okay, don't take it negatively. Dominate means extremely careful. Okay, that is in that sense. So possessive pronoun, that is, possessive pronoun is a such kind of pronoun through which we can show our ownership, we can show our personal right to something or to someone. Okay, so the example of possessive pronoun is, that is mine. Okay, the example is, I think that is mine. Okay, M-I-N-E, mine. Clear? Our, ours. Clear? Yours. Clear? Theirs. Okay, the example is mine, ours, yours, theirs. But the point is that don't mix up these two kinds of pronoun, I mean personal and possessive, because there is a slight difference. There is a slight difference between these two types of pronoun. Okay, these two types of pronoun can easily be differentiated. Okay, I can show you. Just see the example. Okay, here personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Okay, here possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Clear? I am saying that me is a personal pronoun. Okay, and mine is a possessive pronoun. Your, personal pronoun, but yours. Okay, if you add s, I mean yours, it should be possessive pronoun. Okay, if I say our, personal pronoun, but if I say ours, okay, ours, possessive pronoun. If I say their, personal pronoun, but if I say theirs, possessive pronoun. So that is the difference. If I say me, possessive pronoun, me personal pronoun, mine possessive pronoun, you personal pronoun, yours possessive pronoun, our personal pronoun, ours possessive pronoun, their personal pronoun, but theirs possessive pronoun. Okay, let me give some sentence. Okay, if I say it is my pen. Okay, it is my pen. So here my is what? Personal pronoun, right? So this is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Clear? Simple. But if I say this pen is mine, here it is possessive pronoun. Another point of difference is that if I say it is my pen, okay, it is my pen, so simple. But if I say this pen is mine, here the word mine, okay, indicates some point of emphasis. Okay, here the word mine, it is somewhat, in some sense it indicates some, stress. Here the pronoun is stressed, or here the particular pronoun is emphasized. So I can say that for the sake of emphasis, whenever we can say or we can mention something boldly, more or less in a bold way, okay, or whenever we can stress, okay, the particular pronoun, we can use possessive pronoun. And also I can say that when the particular pronoun is used, okay, for the sake of emphasis, okay, what, for the sake of emphasis, okay, in that sense we can use possessive pronoun. If I say it is our book, okay, so you know that I told our is a personal pronoun. But if I say this book is ours, so there is a slight difference. Here the pronouns, or here the sentence is for the sake of emphasis, okay, some emphasis, some point of stress, okay, is here. If I say it is their agenda, okay, it is their agenda, so you know that there is a personal pronoun, no doubt. But if I say the agenda is theirs, okay, theirs, so this is possessive pronoun, okay, so this is personal and possessive pronoun. In my next class, in my next video, I will discuss also another two types of pronouns, and this is distributive pronoun and demonstrative pronoun, okay. And in this way, step by step, I will discuss totally 8 kinds of pronoun, okay, in my lecture, okay. Thank you.